In this video, I'm going to show you how to block number on Android. So let's get started. It's pretty simple and easy. So on your contact application, just tap the three dots on the upper right and click on block spam calls. So in here, you can block all unfamiliar incoming calls. You can also block unknown or null incoming call numbers. And you can also block blacklisted numbers. So just go ahead and tap that one. So it says here that calls and messages from blacklisted numbers will be blocked. So to add some number, just go ahead and tap on the plus sign and then select the number that you wanted to block. Or you can enter it or you can add it manually. Just type the number here and then the name. And that's it. And the other way to do that is just tap the number on your call log and then add to blacklist. And then that's it. That's how to block numbers on Android. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.